I'm losing my mind just a little.
Hello everyone, for today's video we're gonna install VirtualBox. Our instructor has instructed us to download and install VirtualBox. So some of you doesn't know what is VirtualBox is. So VirtualBox is a tool which allows you to operate different kinds of operating system virtually. That is how virtual box is used. So now let's install and download the virtual box. So first, our teacher has given us a link. This link, or you can also type it into the URL here. So when you click that link, it will go to the virtualbox.org site, which allows you to download its installer. So the version for today's VirtualBox is 6.1. Okay, now I'm gonna choose the Windows host because I'm using the Windows operating system. So it's now downloading and we'll just wait. Okay. Okay, now let's open. Just click yes. Okay, it's preparing for installation. Then just click next, 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 and yes, and install. Now we still gonna wait just for a minute. So this is my first time installing this one, and let's read some of it. Okay, it's downloading now. Installing. Sorry for the background noises. There's some ongoing construction in the road. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, so this is the manager. Okay, that's all. That's just so simple, right? And installing VirtualBox. Okay, now that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you for the another video.